So we're out here in Esperance, and today's mission, we're gonna try and catch some herring to make a amazing dish made by Chiara in her Italian region of Italy in Calabria. It can only be made with small fish like herring and whiting, and I'm getting pretty hungry, so yeah, I've got my hopes up. So I'm gonna see if I can actually try and catch some herring. I'm super excited. We found a good spot. We seen some birds diving in the water, hunting and eating some fish, and I think they're herring. So it's a good sign there's a big school there.
It's still the bait, I know.
In Japan, I wanted to learn how they actually have the best quality eating fish, and it all came down to how they handle their catch. So I wanted to show you guys how I kill the fish and how I've learned it in Japan. He had 2 hooks in his mouth. Moses. How much should we get? 3 each?
Yeah, sounds about right. We are back to a campsite, a very fancy one, as you can see. It's the Overflow camping in Esperance, and we're actually lucky because it's a long weekend and it was the only place available, but it's good enough.
Yeah.
And so Rob caught some herrings. We're gonna make a very special dish. It's from the south of Italy, where I'm from, and it's called raganella. It's usually made with some fish that is like similar to sardines. They're called alici. I don't even know if they have it here in Australia, but herrings are quite similar. So we're gonna do it with these ones. And Rob is kindly cleaning them, and I'll do the rest. So we're gonna fillet them and leave the skin on. Of course, we clean the scales. We're gonna keep the frames to make a stock.
Make a fish seafood ramen.
Oh yeah. So we have here like, yeah, heaps of fillets for the 2 of us. Let's do it. We need breadcrumbs, oregano, and some fennel seeds. Oh, it smells so good. Salt, not too much, and pepper. And then we crushed some garlic with thyme. Olive oil. Okay, now it seems like it's a lot, and it is, but you kind of need to wet all the breadcrumbs. A bit more. Ooh. First step, we're gonna put half of the breadcrumbs. cover with the rest. You kind of make like a sandwich, like a breadcrumb sandwich. Kind of wanna compact it, like make it nice and tight, and press it so that the breadcrumbs get all together. It's very tricky, so don't worry if you mess it up and it comes all flaky, because it's not easy. Needs a lot of olive oil. Voila!
Oh, it's burned.
Yeah!
We burned it. It's alright. It's just the crust.
Okay, we saved it.
Okay.
This is real life.
Yep.
Okay, now we can put a touch of oil. In the meantime, Robert is doing the broth. What's in here?
Just a bit of butter, garlic, and the bones. Just roasting it off.
Awesome.
I'm actually really excited to try this because I knew she was gonna make this. Oh, it looks so good. Look at that layer.
Go to the fisherman.
Thank you. Let's try it.
Thank you to all my relatives in Calabria that they told me these beautiful recipes. Thanks, Mama.
Thanks for watching, and check us out next week.
Ciao.